We spent the night at Love's Truck Stop. It wasn't bad actually. It started off being a bit noisy and I thought, oh, what did I do? But after about 11, it started quieting down and we had a good night's sleep. Let's go switch this baby out. Gives me a chance to clean under here. And I also want to move this to the other side. So this way, I'm gonna move this to the side of the frame so that when I take the stove out to cook outside, it's easier to, this will be free. We got our new propane tank, and this one has a regulator on it, or not a regulator, this one has a gauge on it so I can see when I'm low, and that helps. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, because this is just switched out so you never know what you're gonna get. But the gentleman was nice enough to let me pick my tank, so I am gonna hook this baby up and make some coffee. It's really dirty. I also need to look for my tape that goes on here to seal it, so I need to find that before we hook it up. I can never just walk on a treadmill. I have to do fancy side steps. I love to have fun when I'm working out. I went to my girlfriend Michelle's house. She needed a couple of deadbolts changed. She just had a problem unlocking the door, like the old bolts on both the screen door and her front door who gets stuck when you would try to unlock it. So we got a couple of new locks, and this is my first attempt at doing a deadbolt, but it was relatively easy. There's only 3 parts to the lock, and you're pretty much putting the new lock the same way you take out the old lock, and it was really easy to do. So that was a nice little learning curve for me to be able to do the deadbolts, and now I know how to do deadbolts. And even if you put it on wrong, you just kind of rotate it until it fits. Oh, wow. We used to.
Yeah, not anymore. We can wait.
Oh, no, I was getting them in the frame.
Oh, you were?
I'm recording them so I can get a good
Oh,
pic.
okay, great. That's great.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, come on, guys.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love these. Cooper and Gizmo are so cute. And it's always good spending time with my friend Michelle. She has a nice hiking trail close to her house, so we would walk the trail or walk through the neighborhood. I get these at Trader Joe's. It's pre-cooked. They're better there, huh? They just taste yummy though. Diesel and I are parked for the night, and we made some new friends. Diesel, what is that? What is that, Diesel?